Welcome to our video on understanding crypto wallets. When it comes to storing your cryptocurrency, there are several options available, each with its own set of pros and cons. In this video, we'll be comparing the different types of cryptocurrency wallets, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and paper wallets to help you decide which one is right for you. First up, we have hardware wallets. These are physical devices, such as a USB drive, that are designed to store your private keys offline. This makes them one of the most secure options, as they are not connected to the internet and are therefore less vulnerable to hacking. However, they can be costly, and if you lose the device or the device malfunctions, you could lose access to your funds. Some examples of hardware wallets include Trezor, Ledger, and KeepKey. Now, let's talk about software wallets. These are digital wallets that can be downloaded to your computer or mobile device. These wallets offer more convenience and accessibility, as they can be easily accessed from anywhere, but are more vulnerable to hacking and other forms of cyber attacks. Some examples of software wallets include MyEtherWallet, Exodus, and Coinbase Wallet. Software wallets can be further divided into hot wallets, which are connected to the internet, and cold wallets, which are not connected to the internet. Hot wallets are more vulnerable to hacking, while cold wallets offer more security. And finally, we have paper wallets. These are physical copies of your private keys that can be printed out. They offer a high level of security, as they are not connected to the internet, but they can be easily lost or damaged, and the process of transferring funds from a paper wallet can be complex. So, which one is right for you? It depends on your specific needs and priorities. If security is your top concern, a hardware wallet may be the best choice. If convenience and accessibility are more important to you, a software wallet may be the better option. And if you prefer a simple and offline storage, a paper wallet could be the one for you. No matter which option you choose, it's important to remember to keep your private keys safe and secure, and always do your own search and due diligence before making any decisions. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more.